Morning students, this is our science master. In this video I am going to introduce quiz regarding the topic life process. So let us watch and answer in the chat box. Here are the questions. What is the function of heart? Option A, pumping. Option B, purification of blood. Option C, excretion. Option D, transportation of food. Your time starts now. Time up. Second question, the deoxygenated blood from the body enters into option A, right atrium, option B, left atrium, option C, left ventricle, option D, right ventricle. Let me read once again. The deoxygenated blood from the body enters into right atrium, left ventricle, and option D, right ventricle. Your time starts now. Your time is over. Third question. The normal BP of human is option A, 120 by 70, option B, 120 by 80, option C, 120 by 100, option D, 140 by 100. Your time starts now. Time up. Fourth question. Important method of transport in plant during night time is option A, translocation, option B, opening of stomatal pore, option C, transpiration, and option D, effect of root pressure. Your time starts now. Your time is over. Fifth question. Identify the correct statement about excretion of glucose by the kidney through urine. Option A. Always kidneys excrete glucose. Option B. Only in case of renal impairment and hyposecretion of insulin, kidneys excrete glucose. Option C. Generally, glucose is excreted through kidneys. Option D. Sometimes glucose is excreted through kidney depending on intake of food. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Roots of the plant absorb water from the soil through the process of option A, diffusion, option B, transpiration, option C, osmosis, option D, none of these. Your time starts now. Your time is over. Which plant tissue transport water and minerals from the roots to the leaf? Option A, xylem. Option B, phloem. Option C, parenchyma. Option D, collenchyma. Your time starts now. Your time is over. A blood vessel which pumps the blood from the heart to the entire body. Option A, artery. Option B, capillary. Option C, vein. Option D, hemoglobin. Your time starts now. Time up. Ninth question. Name a circulatory fluid in the human body other than blood. Option A, platelets. Option B, lymph. Option C, RBC. Option D, plasma. Your time starts now. Your time is over. 10th question. Name the tube which connects the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Option A, urethra. Option B, nephron. Option C, tubule. Option D, ureter. Your time starts now. Time over. It's your 11th question. Where is the dirty blood in our body is filtered? Option A, heart. Option B, lungs. Option C, ureter. And option D, kidneys. Your time starts now. Your time is over. A person, by separating urea from it, is called option A, osmosis. Option B, filtration. Option C, dialysis. Option D, double circulation. Your time starts now. Time up. 13th question. Identify the correct path of urine in the human body. Option A, from kidney to urinary bladder to urethra and then ureter. Option B, urinary bladder to ureter, from ureter to kidney and then urethra. Option C, kidney, from there ureter, from ureter to urethra and then urinary bladder. Option D, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder and then urethra. Your time starts now. Time up. 14th question. One cell thick vessels are called option A, arteries. Option B, veins. Option C, capillaries. Option D, pulmonary artery. Your time starts now. Fine, your time is over. Question number 15. Blood vessel which carries oxygenated blood from lungs is option A, pulmonary vein. Option B, pulmonary artery. Option C, coronary artery. Option D, superior vena cava. Your time starts now. Your time is over. 16th question. Main function of hemoglobin is option A, reproduction. Option B, to kill harmful bacteria. Option C, transport of oxygen. Option D, to make blood colorless. Your time start now. Fine, time is up. 17th question. Impure blood from right ventricle goes into the option A, lungs. Option B, heart. Option C, skin. Option D, liver. Your time starts now. Time up. 18th one. Blood pressure is measured by a device. Option A, thermometer. Barometer. Option C, galvanometer. and option D, sphygmomanometer. Your time starts now. Time over. 19th question. Urea is produced from ammonia in the body of man in option A, liver, option B, kidney, option C, spleen, and option D, intestine. Your time starts now. Your time is up. 20th question. Malpighian body consists of option A, uriniferous tubule, option B, Bowman's capsule and glomerus, option C, Bowman's capsule only, option D, two limbs of loop of Henle. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Thank you for watching this quiz. I'm expecting more than 1,000 answers. Please do chat and give answer for each question on YouTube. Once again, I say thank you for watching my channel. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel